name is Layla Gambari. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I'm a barista.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a barista quality Italian-style cappuccino with your DeLonghi espresso machine at home in just one touch. First thing you're going to want to do is get a fresh bag of coffee from your local coffee roaster. Then you're going to take the patented instant frothing dispenser and add fresh cold milk. What's great about this dispenser is when you're done, you can just throw it right back in the refrigerator. You're going to lock it into the machine. Next, you're going to want to grind your coffee. Fresh ground coffee is going to give you the best flavor. And then you want to place the freshly ground coffee into the portafilter basket. For a single espresso, you want to do 1 scoop of coffee. For a double espresso, you'll use 2. You want to distribute the coffee around the basket so that it's even. Next, with the portafilter flat on the table, you're going to want to tamp the espresso. Give it a good amount of pressure so it's nice and tight. Then you're going to lock the portafilter into the brewer. Once the portafilter is locked in, you can start to make your cappuccino. When you're using a large cup, you can place the tray below for more room. Make sure that you lift the spout up so that the milk will go into the cup. And then just with one touch, we'll make a cappuccino. So right now the milk is heating up. With the foam regulator, you can have less foam for a latte or pull the tab forward for more foam for a cappuccino. What's great about the machine is that you can set your own parameters according to what size milk beverage that you want. And there you go. With just one touch, we have a barista quality cappuccino. Beautiful foam on top, nice creamy milk below, beautifully extracted espresso. Perfect cappuccino. Delicious.